Oh, winter's coming. So we're going to compare those two snow shovels this winter clearing snow and see how they're doing compared to each other. But here's some stats for you for right now. So the 18-volt one will clear a path that is 10-inch wide, while the 40-volt will clear a path that is 12-inch wide. Both of them can go in depth up to 6-inch of snow. Well, they can clear 6-inch. Now, you can clear more than that if you wiggle them around. The other thing to know about, both of them are the same size, but the weight is a little bit different. The 18-volt is 15 pounds and the 40-volt is 18 pounds. Now, the 40-volt have the wheels on it, so it's easier to move around, while the 18-volt don't have no wheels at all. It doesn't come with them. The other thing to know about is this is a single speed for the 18-volt one. We have dual speed on the trigger for the 40-volt one. So now another thing to keep in mind, and maybe this is why they put wheels onto the 40-volt one, but the 18-volt battery, this is a 6 amp hour battery compared to the 6 amp hour of a 40-volt one. This is way more heavy and big for size comparison. One more important thing to know is the price difference. So the 40-volt one runs at about $278 Canadian, while you can get the 18-volt for $150. You better subscribe, because this winter I'm going to put two 6 amp hour battery, one in each, and we're going to compare them pushing snow. And in the meantime, you can watch some of those videos here about the test that I did with the 18-volt against ice and against other things last winter. We'll see you in the next video.